How much money did Cenat make before retiring from streaming? I'm broke, baby. Back with another video, doing daily uploads, so stay tuned. Today we're looking at how much Cenat made from streaming over his lifetime of streaming. We're going to add it all up. All his sponsorships, all his views. We're going to look at it all. A lot of people are interested in this. A lot of people want to be streamers. So looking into how much money people make is pocket watching, but is useful to a lot of people. So let's look into it. Cenat, one of the biggest Twitch streamers, or one of the biggest streamers in general. A couple of weeks ago, I think he said he's taking a break from streaming, and literally yesterday he said he's quitting. I don't think he's quitting streaming for good, but it seems like for the foreseeable future he won't be streaming. So it's a good time to look at how much money he's made from streaming. So the three main things we're going to look at are his actual streaming money, like directly through streaming. Obviously streaming allows you to do other things, so we're going to look at his sponsorships. And also his YouTube. He has two YouTube channels. One of them is pretty much just all his streaming clips. And the other YouTube channel, he gets the views from his streaming viewers. I'm pretty sure all the views come from streaming. So I would say all the views he has are results from streaming. So let's look straight into it. Straight away into his YouTube channel. Let's look at his YouTube channel. So Cenat has two YouTube channels. Cenat Live with 14.3 million subs, which is crazy. And then he has Cenat with 7.5 million. And on Cenat Live, pretty much all the videos are his live streams, either clipped up of his live streams or his full streams. He's got a couple other videos on there as well, but we can pretty much say that the majority of his videos are his live streams. So directly through streaming, he's getting these views. So we're going to go through the numbers now. I've got a couple breakdowns just to note that most of the earnings numbers will be estimates. We can't know exactly how much he's earning, but we've got rough estimates. I've got another YouTube channel which has, obviously this YouTube channel has no subscribers, but subscribe anyway to help me get there. But I've got another YouTube channel with 500,000 subscribers, and I also started a YouTube channel with someone else that's got 400 or 350,000 subscribers. So I know about the YouTube back end and revenue and CPMs and all that. So what we're going to do, we're going to go year by year. So both his YouTube channels together, we're adding up the views and we're working off a CPM. If you don't know what CPM is, it means cost per mile, and it's basically how much you get paid per 1,000 views. Mile is 1,000 in Roman, if you didn't know that. So this is how much you get paid after YouTube take their cut. For him, I'm going to estimate about $7.9. $7.9 per 1,000 views. That's the estimate we're using. 2018, he got 37.8 million long form views, and that revenue equates to just under $300,000, $290,000. 2019, 700 million views, and that estimated $555,000. 2020, he's building up to 91 million views, which is crazy. He's not even in his prime yet, and he's got 91 million views, and that would have been around $725,000. So a lot of money is starting to be made around 2020. 2021, he had 580 million views on YouTube, and this works out to be around $1.25 million on our estimate. Millionaire already. 2021, still not in his prime. 2022, 211 million views, so he almost doubled his views here, and he's got $1.6 million for his troubles in ad revenue. 2023, 313 million views, that is $2.47 million. And 2024, almost skipped 2025 for a second. 2024, 390 million views, just over $3 million, nothing to be sniffed at. 2025, so last year, 432 million views, crazy amount of views, and that would have been $3.4 million. So YouTube, nothing to be sniffed at for Cenat. It's not even his primary platform, and if we add that all up, that is $13.4 million. Crazy amount, and that's just him getting started. YouTube is not even his main platform. We're going to look at his sponsorships. So sponsorships could be between Twitch and YouTube, but Cenat's had some good sponsorships. And disclaimer, again, the estimates, none of these numbers are public, but we've got a little rough estimates on how much they could have been worth. Again, disclaimer, this is not factual, just estimates. So we're going to start from 2021. He just started out on Twitch. So he didn't actually have any big sponsors, but people can estimate for little sponsors here and there. He's got between $50,000 to $150,000 in 2021 from sponsorships. 2022 was when he started to get bigger, and he had some gaming sponsors and a couple little lifestyle integrations, and that's estimated between anywhere from $250,000 to $750,000 for the year. And for me and you, I would love to have that for the year as my sponsors, but for Cenat, he's just getting started at that amount. 2023, the first ever Mafia Fund, when he was going crazy. So Cenat got a deal with McDonald's this year, and it's estimated that deal alone was worth between, on the low end, $250,000, on the high end, $750,000. And all his other smaller little deals, people are estimating it's around $1 to $2.5 million over the year, accumulated to that amount. Now we go into 2024 when the big boys start rolling in. So Cenat had a lot of corporate sponsors. So he got his Nike deal in 2024, big monumental deal, first Twitch streamer partnered with Nike, and the deal was estimated between 1 million to 3 million a year. I think it could be more than that, but maybe it's conservative estimates we're going to do. So AMP, we're going to include AMP in this one as well. Got a Bang Energy sponsorship, I remember that. And they're saying this is estimated between $2 to $5 million for Cenat's share. Oh, sorry, for the whole deal. So not for Cenat's share, but $2 to $5 million for that deal from AMP. And McDonald's, he had another McDonald's deal, and again that was estimated between $250,000 to $500,000. Chime, I'm not sure what Chime is, but they had a partnership, and the partnership was estimated between $250,000 to $750,000. So for the year of 2024, estimated sponsorship revenue $4 to $8 million. It's crazy numbers. And 2025, probably Cenat's biggest year. He was a household name in 2025. We're going to rattle through them because there was a lot. He done a lot this year. So he had Nike, which was estimated at 1 to 3 million. Bang Energy estimated at 1 to 3 million. Crocs estimated at $500,000 to $1.5 million. State Farm estimated at $500K to $1 million. That was the Batman stream. I think that stream was legendary. That Batman stream with Reggie was one of the best streams I've seen that year. T-Mobile, I think this was an ad campaign, maybe not on his streams. Maybe, I think they used it for Streamer University, if I'm not mistaken. They gave everyone T-Mobile phones, and they gave everyone Samsung phones and T-Mobile SIMs. I think it was. But anyway, it was $500,000 to $1 million. Bape, a big streetwear brand, estimated between $250,000 to $750,000. I think we've left out some things on that list. My research, obviously not everything is public knowledge, and not everything with brand deals, not everything is obvious. Like you have product placement and subtle things. So I'm pretty sure he had a Samsung Galaxy deal at Streamer University, which might not be public knowledge. But anyway, conservative estimate $5 to $10 million total revenue for 2025, which is crazy. I think it's more. I honestly think it's more. So the total estimate for his sponsorship is between $10 to $21 million. That is crazy. And last but not least, Cenat's biggest platform, Twitch, which we all think he might be quitting from. I think he'll come back, but for now, we don't know when he's coming back. Could be gone for the whole year, could be gone for 6 months, who knows. So Cenat's biggest platform, let's just look at it quickly. So again, we're going to follow the same format. 2021, Cenat had an average of 10,000 monthly subscribers, and as you know, you get money from paid subscribers on Twitch, and this would have been $465,000 revenue. Estimates again, guys. 2022, his average monthly subs were 35K, and that's an average monthly revenue of $135,000, estimated $1.6 million for the year. 2023, first year of Mafia Fun, 100,000 average monthly subs, and for the year this works out to be $4.6 million for the year. 2024, average monthly subs 215,000. Let that sink in. And the average annual salary was estimated at $10 million for the year. 2025, Average monthly subs 350,000. That is crazy. And estimated revenue for the year was 16.3 million. 16.3 million. Crazy. And the total amount that we can estimate Cenat has made from Twitch sub alone from 2021 to 2025 is $33 million. $33 million just from the subs. So to recap, from YouTube, we estimate he has made 13.4 million. From sponsors, between 10 to 21 million, and from Twitch, 33 million. In total, we're going to average that out to 62 million pretty much in the last 5 years. Cenat's made from streaming, off the back of being the biggest Twitch streamer in the world. Cenat, one of the biggest streamers in the world, definitely biggest Twitch streamer. His monthly subs are crazy. 62 million is the estimate. Do these numbers motivate you to becoming a Twitch streamer? Let me know in the comments, and let me know what topics you want to see next. Follow me for more. I'm broke, baby.